Hello everyone! Nandito na naman po ang inyong lingkod, Agbiag Vlog, #Conse, kung saan ay babahagi ko lang sa inyo ang 8 power words, wonderful power words. Believe in yourself. Number 2, stay strong. Number 3 is never give up. Number 4, be grateful. Number 5, work hard. Number 6, stay humble. Number 7, be kind. And number 8, keep smiling. Thank you for watching. And God bless you all.